Hey everyone, welcome to a new episode. Today we're in the Macquarie Reserve. Going to the treetop walk is how it's called. And as you can see, there's a lot of green in this area. So folks, get ready to listen to this. Turn up your volume. These are cicadas. They can do up to 100 decibel. And this is as loud as a motorbike. And imagine in Australia you have some that are even up to 120 decibel, which can cause hearing damage. And that's really effing insane. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed these interesting facts here.